I'm running this again. If you watch my last video, we had a 700 on 6, 700x. That would be 100 times 700. We have a $1,500 bet. Extreme Lightning Roulette. What's the lightning numbers? 2? I'm not on 2. 17, I'm on 17. 50x on 17. Give me some extras. We got a 3, 50x. Go on the 3. No, I'm not on the 2.
Double strike on 2.
We need something. We need one of my numbers. We need one of my numbers. $100 on each. Give me a 3. 24.
So we got
I'm on a 24, but there's no lightning on it. We made a little bit of money. If you want to play stake with us, make sure you sign up using code TACT.